garden volcanoes. So what you're going to need for this activity is, from your Camp in a Box, you're going to need your vinegar, your baking soda, and your cup. All you need from home is some soil or dirt that you're going to make the volcano in. Once you get all your materials, you're going to go outside and go into either soil or sand. You're going to start by digging a hole. You can use a measuring cup, a shovel, or even your hands. Once your hole is all dug, you're going to get your cup and you're going to put it inside the hole. Now, you're going to push the sand back in to build your volcano. It's okay if you get a little sand into the cup. Now, you're going to get your bag and you're going to get out your baking soda. And you're going to pour it into the cup. Now, you're going to get the vinegar and get ready for the explosion. And pour it in, and then start backing up for your volcano to erupt. Whoa! How awesome!
Thanks for watching. See you next time.